welcome back to my channel Mumbaikar Boy. Today we are here with Laila. Actually, I had a small bike accident. Not me personally, but the bike fell off because the sand where the bike was, actually the sand gave way because of water from the stand and the bike fell down. So the carbon windshield, carbon racer windshield actually broke. We are here with a new one, that's the version 2. So let's go ahead and unbox it and fit it on Laila. So now we have Javed, the main seat maker for Mapsa, actually going to unbox it. Javed, nikalo, kholo.
Opening
Carbon racer. Okay, that's the carbon racer version 2. Kholo. Kholo.
Give to Javed fellow.
अच्छा है रे.
See anybody any damage and all this. What is this? Beta? You have to open it. Okay. Now you are opening. Take this Javed. Catch it. And see. One. See. Take it.